Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I am doing something a little bit different. I am showing you guys this cute 4th of July design, but today I'm going to be splitting this up into two parts. So today you will see me doing the full set of Gelx. I'm going to show you everything I would do on a client, and here I am just showing you all the products I'll be using today. Basically just the entire Apres Gelx system, plus the Gelx prep, which I love. So starting off with prep, I am just pushing these cuticles back, and I will go in with this Russian cylinder bit from Erica's ATA. I love this bit for cuticle removal. So here I am going about 12,000 RPMs in a reverse motion, and I go from sidewall to sidewall with this, just gently pressing back the cuticle and removing the trigem from the nail plate. This will help you ensure that your manicure lasts and won't lift or chip for weeks. So quickly going through with that. Next up, I do have a new pair of nippers. So these guys are sharp. You will see me cut myself with these, but I love them. I got them from the Nail Hub, and here I am just cutting off any excess skin that might be sticking up. I try to be really careful when I'm doing this. It's hard to do on myself though, so if you're doing this on yourself, just be careful. But yeah, this helps to make the manicure just look nice and clean, and of course you don't want any hangnails later on, so love doing this part. Here I am going in with a 100 grit file to etch the nail plate. This one is very old, so don't pay any mind. It's kind of gross. Use a new one on yourself. But I'm just going through and etching each of my nails. Again, this is for longevity purposes. This will help your manicure last forever. And just cleansing out the dust with some alcohol and a little nail brush. Here I am going right into sizing. These are the Apres medium coffin tips, and I am sizing each nail. You definitely want to do this if you are working on a client, especially. Make sure you do each nail, because not each nail is the same. And then here I am going in with the Gelx prep, and you can see I'm scrubbing that brush onto any surface of the nail that will touch your natural nail. This again, etching, prepping, helping for your nails to stay on, because it will not bond, to a smooth surface. Sorry about that. But yeah, and then going through with step 1 and 2, the prep and primer, very quickly on each and every nail. And of course, here I am going in with the Extend Gel. This is something that will kind of come with time. It's super hard to know how much to put on. If you overdo it, it can get on your skin, and that's not good. So try not to do that, but if you don't put enough on, of course, that's frustrating because you're going to have air bubbles. So you will learn. It will get easier. I still kind of struggle, as you can see, but it's gotten a lot better. So just put on just enough. I like to kind of cover the whole surface that's gonna touch my nail, and then, like as you saw me do there, put a little, dollop of it at the tip. And I'm just gonna show you guys quickly me going through these, and I will be back. Applied all 10, I personally wanted these slendered out just a bit more. They were kind of thick looking for me, so I'm going through with a file and just kind of slimming out that tip area, and then I will go through the back with a 180 grit near the cuticle area just to kind of blend, but it's not necessary if you did it flush to the cuticle. And then, of course, taking that little tab off the very tip there. And yeah, I'll do that on all 10, and again, meet you back here. Okay, now that they are all shaped how I want them, my final step is to go in with the Gelx prep and scrub the brush on the nail to get that texture there so the gel polish has something to grip onto. And at this point, they are ready to be polished. And if you guys are interested in seeing the final result, then stick around for tomorrow's video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see the cute little 4th of July set that I showed you previously. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.